Stop eating one-size-fits-all meals. This is the Metabolic Bolognese 2.0. I used to think 28 grams of protein was a high-protein lunch. I re-engineered my bolognese and upgraded the version of my most popular recipe, and it's completely customizable. 45 grams of protein for weight loss or 66 grams for maximum muscle recovery. You choose the portion. I'll show you the secret to the flavor. Let's have a quick look at our ingredients: dried porcini mushrooms, Chianti wine, lentils, tofu, and a high-protein gourmet pasta. Stick around for the pro tips, especially for the porcini and wine. That's where the flavor magic happens. First, soak the dried porcini mushrooms in hot water and set them aside to rehydrate. This step is non-negotiable. That soaking liquid becomes the backbone of our sauce. Bring a pot of water to a boil with salt and a touch of olive oil. Add the edamame mung bean fettuccine and cook until al dente. This pasta is naturally high in protein and fiber, lower in calories, and perfect for macro-friendly meals. Drain it, reserve some pasta water and set it aside. Now for the bolognese. Drizzle olive oil into a hot pan and saute onion, celery and carrot with a pinch of salt. This is your flavor foundation. Take your time here. A good sofrito needs a solid 6 to 8 minutes to get soft and sweet. Add garlic and rosemary. I like to keep the rosemary intact and remove it later. It perfumes the sauce without overpowering it. Now add the rehydrated porcini mushrooms. You can chop them if you like, but I prefer adding them whole for texture. And remember, don't throw away the soaking water. In goes the Chianti. Let it bubble, reduce, and cook off completely. This step adds depth, richness, and that classic Italian warmth. Add crushed tomatoes and most of the porcini soaking liquid, avoiding the grit at the bottom. Let it simmer gently and come together. Quick check-in. Are you fueling up with 66 grams of protein portion today, or keeping it light with 45 grams? It's the same gourmet recipe, just tailored to your goal. Drop a 66 or a 45 in the comments. I want to see which goal is winning. Now add cooked French green lentils and crumbled extra firm tofu. The tofu absorbs flavor and gives the sauce a rich, meaty texture. Mix well so the sauce coats every crumble. To concentrate the sauce and boost depth, add a spoon of tomato paste. Cook it in for a minute so it caramelizes into the sauce. Let this simmer for a few minutes, then taste and adjust salt and pepper. Finish with freshly chopped basil. The aroma at this stage is unreal. Add a splash of reserved pasta water back to the pasta to smooth it out. Stir in a few scoops of bolognese, then plate it up. Pasta on the bottom, generous bolognese on top, and freshly grated parmesan. You can swap parmesan for nutritional yeast to keep it vegan. Here's the best part. If you divide this meal into 2 servings, each serving delivers about 609 calories and 66 grams of protein, perfect for a high-protein dinner. If you divide it into 3 servings, you'll still get 406 calories and 45 grams of protein per serving. Incredibly satisfying and weight loss friendly. The dish is also high in fiber, rich in iron, calcium, and potassium, and keeps you full for hours. 66 grams of protein or a 400-calorie gut-healthy lunch. You really can't go wrong with this upgrade. If you're ready to stop choosing between tasty and high protein, hit subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.